Yes, student. Hello, everyone. Yes, student. Today we will discuss the exercise. Those are given in your book. Kinds of sentences. Kinds of sentences. This is your third chapter. Kinds of sentences. So we will discuss exercise. Those are given in your book. So listen, student. First, see in your book. First exercise is read the following sentences carefully and state whether they are assertive, interrogative or exclamatory. Okay, students, in this exercise you have to write its type of in given box कि which type of sentence is this. So you have to write its type in given box. Okay, here is the given box. You have to write in this box. So first, I told you in sentence chapter that there are four types of sentences. There are four types of sentences. First one is assertive, second one is imperative, third one is interrogative and fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Okay, assertive sentences are simple sentences, okay, which has subject and predicate, okay, and which has subject, verb and object and other also. And second one, imperative sentence start with a verb. Imperative sentence always start with a verb. It's it has request, command, order, like this. And third one is interrogative sentence. These sentences ask a question about someone or something. So these are interrogative sentences. And exclamatory sentences has a strong feeling. Exclamatory sentences has a strong feeling. Okay, like what an idea, okay, what an idea, how beautiful you are. This type of sentences express strong feeling. So these are exclamatory sentence. They mostly start with how and what. So now see the exercise. Read the following sentences carefully and state whether they are assertive, interrogative or exclamatory. Okay, so first, what does your father do? What does your father do? Father do. It means this sentence is asking question कि तुम्हारे father क्या करते हैं? This is a interrogative. So in given box you have to write interrogative. There is no tea in the flask. There is no tea in the flask. This is a assertive type of sentence. Okay, because I told you assertive are two types of negative or affirmative. So this is a negative. Is he your friend? Is he your friend? This question is made with helping verb, so it's an interrogative sentence. Okay, so you have to write interrogative. How clever these boys are. How clever these boys are. This is a strong feeling of about the boys कि कितने चतुर है ये लड़के. Okay, how clever these boys are. So this is a exclamatory sentence. Do it at once. Do it at once. It means this see student. This there is a verb starting of the sentence, so this is a imperative sentence. Okay, I am learning French. I am learning French. This is simple sentence कि मैं French सीख रहा हूँ. I am learning French. This is a assertive sentence. Who are these people? Who are these people? Who are these people? It means this sentence is asking question. Who are these? So this is a interrogative. So remember that I told you imperative and assertive. Okay. Imperative and assertive sentence take full stop at the end of the sentence, and interrogative sentence takes a question mark at the end of the sentence, and exclamatory sentence always take exclamation sign. Okay, so you can identify these by their sign also. Okay, I am learning French. This is a full stop at the end of the sentence there is full stop, so it is a I am learning French. It is a assertive sentence. Who are these people? ये people कौन है? This is last of the question, last of the sentence. See, there is a question mark, so this is a interrogative sentence. Eighth sentence is these children are plucking flowers. These children are plucking flowers. ये children ये बच्चे हैं जो flowers तोड़ रहे हैं. It means this is a assertive type of sentence. How tall the building is. How tall the building is कि कितनी बड़ी बिल्डिंग है. सडनली आप किसी बड़ी सी लंबी सी बिल्डिंग को देख रहे हो तो आपको अचानक से आपको फील होता है, अचानक से स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग आपकी होती है कि हाउ टॉल द बिल्डिंग इज. ओके, सो दिस इज अ एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. प्लीज गिव मी अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर. प्लीज गिव मी अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर. दिस इज अ imperative sentence because we are requesting in this sentence. We are requesting in this sentence. So this is a imperative sentence. Okay students? Okay. Now second exercise. Put the correct punctuation mark at the end of each of the following sentences in given boxes. इसमें आपको लास्ट में जो क्वेश्चन है आई मीन सेंटेंस है उनके लास्ट में आपको पंक्चुएशन मार्क लिखना, पंक्चुएशन मार्क लगाना है, like full stop, exclamation mark according to the sentence. Okay, first one is please come here. Please come here. In this sentence there is request, please come here, please यहाँ आओ, तो it means you have to put full stop. Okay, second one is Hindi is my mother tongue. Hindi is my mother tongue. This is a assertive sentence, so you have to put full stop also in this sentence. Okay, write a letter to your friend. Write a letter to your friend. Tell me what kind of sentence is this? Yes, tell me. Yes, write a letter. See student, first this sentence is being started with write. Write is the main verb, so this is a imperative sentence. This is a imperative sentence. Okay, so you have to put full stop. India is an ancient country. India is an ancient country. So this is also assertive sentence, so you have to put full stop. Okay, it is a sunny day. It is also assertive sentence. I like to study English. I like to study English. This is simple sentence. It means this is assertive also. What a tall man. What a tall man. कितना लंबा आदमी है, कितना लंबा, तो आप क्या बोलोगे? What a tall man. It means it's surprising for you. Then you have to put exclamation mark. Okay, in given box. What is your name? Which kind of sentence is this? This sentence is asking question कि what is your name? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? So it is a, you have to put question mark at the end of the sentence. How naughty these boys are. How naughty these boys are. Okay, मतलब कि स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग है यहाँ पे भी कितने कि बच्चे कितने शैतान, आपको आश्चर्य हो रहा है कि बच्चे कितने शैतान हैं. इट मीन्स दीज आर सॉरी दिस इज अ एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. हाउ नॉटी दीज बॉयज आर. ओके, सो यू हैव टू पुट एक्सक्लेमेशन साइन. दिस रोड लीड्स टू द टेम्पल. दिस रोड लीड्स टू द टेम्पल. ये रोड टेम्पल तक जाती है. इट मीन्स दिस इज अ असर्टिव सेंटेंस. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो ओपन पेज नंबर 9 also in this book. The sentence, chapter 2, the sentence. These exercise also we should discuss given in books. Okay, okay student, first check first exercise. Use the words given below to make sentence. Use the words given below to make sentence. Use full stop at the end of these sentences. इन सेंटेंस मतलब कि इन वर्ड्स आपको इन एक्सरसाइज में आपको गिवन जो वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं उनसे आपको सेंटेंस बनाने हैं. फिर एट द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस यू हैव टू पुट फुल स्टॉप बिकॉज दीज आर असर्टिव टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस यू विल मेक. ओके, like in this first example you can take they. They is a word given in this exercise. They is a word given in exercise, so you have to use this word. You have to use this word while making a sentence. Like they are playing. They are playing. Okay, so you can make this type of sentence. At end of the sentence you have to put full stop. My friend. जैसे my friend. Okay, this word is given in your book. You have to make a sentence with this word. Like Ram is my friend. Ram is my friend. Okay, Ram is my friend. So put full stop at the end of the sentence. It means you have to use given words. Okay, while making sentence. Like my word is given in this exercise, so I have made this sentence. Ram is my friend. So I used this word. Okay, I use this word to make this sentence. Okay, so you have to use given words like this. Like India is my country. You can make या other sentence आप बना सकते हो कि I live in India. Like these are flowers, okay, these are flowers, these are books, like this. we से आप सेंटेंस बना सकते हो कोई भी, we are playing, we are learning, we are going to school, okay. the earth, अर्थ से आपको अर्थ को यूज़ करते, द अर्थ वर्ड को यूज़ करते हुए आपको सेंटेंस बनाना है, योर अंकल, आई. सो यू हैव टू मेक ऑल सेंटेंसेज while using this word. Okay, second exercise C, complete the following blanks to make meaningful sentences. Use question mark at the end of these sentences. इसमें आपको ये जो ब्लैंक दिया गया इसको आप मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस से आपको कंप्लीट करना है. इसमें आपको क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाना है एट एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस. दीज वर्ड्स आल्सो गिवन, ओके, आई मीन वाई डिड, तो इससे आपको क्वेश्चन बनाना है वाई डिड. इट्स अ WH वर्ड, वाई डिड यू कॉल मी, आप बना सकते हो वाई डिड यू कॉल मी, वाई डिड यू गो देयर, कि तुम वहाँ क्यों गए थे. इस तरह से आप इसमें कुछ भी आप इनको वर्ड्स को लेते हुए क्वेश्चन पूरा इसको कंप्लीट कर सकते हो. मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस, ओके. हु रोट दिस लेटर, हु रोट दिस लेटर, आप कुछ भी किसी भी तरह से आप बना सकते हो इसको भी सेंटेंस को. एंड वेयर इज़ योर हाउस, वेयर इज़ योर फादर, वेयर इज़ योर ब्रदर, लाइक दिस. वॉट इज़ योर नेम, वॉट से आप कई सेंटेंस बना सकते हो. वॉट इज़ योर फादर नेम, वॉट इज़ योर नेम, लाइक दिस. which is your favorite color, which is your favorite food. You can make that's how you can make many sentences while using these words. Okay, complete third exercise, C exercise. Complete the following blanks to make meaningful sentences. इसमें आपको मतलब कि जो ब्लैंक दिए गए उसमें आपको ये सेंटेंस बनाना, इनसे भी एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. यूज़ एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क एट द एंड ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस, और इसमें आपको एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क यूज़ करना है. Okay, like how I told you in my class that students, when we make exclamatory sentence, then mostly these are made with how and what. So these words are given here, how and what. Then how beautiful she is, how clever she is, इस तरह से आप बना सकते हो. how tall he is, कितना लंबा है ये. how dirty it is, इस तरह से आप इसमें आप बना सकते हो. what a nice girl, what an interesting book it is, like so what a beautiful girl. Okay, so like this you can make sentences. Okay, D exercise, read the following groups. Okay student, read the following groups of words and write whether they make complete sense or not. In this exercise you have to read these group of words and you have to write here if they are giving complete sense or not. Like do it, it means someone is giving you order कि इसको करो. It means this is an imperative sentence, it means it's this sentence is giving complete sense, so you have to write yes. Okay, in this blank you have to write yes. In the west, it's incomplete sense because this sentence is not giving a complete sense. In the west, what is in the west, क्या है in the west, nothing, so it is no. So you have to write here no, it is not. Okay, come here, it means someone is calling to someone, come here कि यहाँ आओ. It means it's giving a complete sense, so it is a, you can write here yes. Okay, never tell a lie, कि कभी झूठ मत बोलो. It means we are giving advice, suggestion. It means this is a imperative sentence, it's giving a complete sense also, so this is yes. Okay, you can write here yes. We ate some rice, मतलब कि हमने कुछ राइस खाए. Okay, so this is also giving a complete sense, so you have to write here yes. Okay student, in E exercise you have to first look given picture, then you have to make a sentence while using, okay, with you have to make a sentence using this picture. Okay student, I hope now that's how you can complete your whole exercise, and you can check also कि whatever you have done right or wrong. So thank you students.